I'm trying to use an example to show us how to work through GD Inside, pull up manuals, and get information that we need. GD Inside is Gardner Denver's source for manual information, documentation, service documents. It's paired with, it's an additional thing from CC360, which is Gardner Denver's ordering and service information. But GD Inside has a lot of information for helping getting manuals and quoting things. So we have an example where Jamie has a customer here and he's requesting us to get some maintenance information to provide a quote. We can always send this into Gardner Denver and I can provide those informations. But this is what he has sent in. So this is a Elmo Rietschle vacuum pump, which Elmo Rietschle is a part of the Gardner Denver product line, which you can see here. So I wanted to pull up a example. So this is Elmo Rietschle, and I want to show you how to find this in GD Inside as opposed to waiting for Gardner Denver to give you a manual. So when you log into GD Inside, you go to this button and you have a couple of different options that we can be in within GD Inside. There's CC360, which we obviously know what CC360 is. I never are really in the clean air and vacuum. I'm never really in the comp air. I'm primarily in Elmo Rietschle or Gardner Denver compressors. So we're all very familiar with how Gardner Denver works. In this example, we're looking at an Elmo Rietschle product. If you don't have access to this, I can help get it set up in GD Inside that you have access to this information. So, and it pops up. So I click in Elmo Rietschle. I'm in Elmo Rietschle. The email that we got was a picture of this pump. So I'm looking for maintenance information. I go to the manual number document lookup. Pull this over here for perspective. This is the serial number. I type it in 104385514, and I've tried it here. Did not work. Tried it with a different way. It did not work. Okay. So now I'm going to try the model number. I know that this is a VC50. Okay. What came up here is a parts list. Right? It says parts list right there. I click on the document. When I open it up, it shows me a breakdown. It gives me part numbers, and then it gives me a part list. However, this part list does not show me maintenance information. So I will go into a different place within GD Inside. I'll go to the Products tab. I'll go to the VC series. I can use the documents over here to help sort, get me in a better position. Really am looking for maybe something maintenance spares or an operating and service manual. Let's try that. I click on the manual for this. I'll download it. I'll go to maintenance information on page 19. Shows me what my maintenance work needs to be. Checking, it looks like checking oil and checking separator elements. Gives me the proper lube. This is the lube that we need. Let's see if it'll show us. We now have the spare parts list. Let's see if it gives us something. We have the spare parts list that we opened. Another way to look at this might be, because it doesn't give the oil part number, I go to the maintenance spares, and I go to the VC50. I download that information, tells me what I need, and a service interval. I have part numbers, quantities. Then I can go into CC360 in the Elmo Rietschle tab, price these parts, and put together a quote. Thank you.